my god, missus. Hi guys, we're at Berwick crossing East Sausage because of an early closure. I think the siren might. Oh no, siren's fine. It's just that this ain't got CCTV. This is our last at best. This is awkward.
What you going to say?
Beth, where? My sister's friendly. That's the thing. This is what 1-4-37 summer service to
You said so this is our last, and you sort of...
Yeah, this should be a long place to go. This should be a long place when we walk back to the car, unless it's not train coming, which I don't think it will be.
So like I said, if you... His name's Max Harts, do not watch his videos.
Is that his YouTube name?
Well, yeah. His videos are crap.
Have you uploaded any yet?
Well, his videos was 6% earlier. He did what?
Don't ban the barriers, because there'll still be... And there's no CCTV here,
It come
but...
from that way, wouldn't it?
No, that way. From the pole gate. I can't bloody see them coming. I can't really see them coming. I really can't see when the cats are coming.
That's the problem with this crossing.
I can't bloody see just shot.
This is a good crossing. Looks lovely. Can't see where what train's coming.
I can hear it, that's
Right, people, put headphones on now. Be aware. The train is really, really loud.
It might stop. It might stop.
Actually, if you're wearing headphones, take them off.
It might stop.
Yeah, if the train doesn't stop, take your headphones off.
I'll be quiet because you're being a bit loud.
Your ears might explode.
I'm looking behind.
Your ears might explode. Because the train is
It's
really
gone off
loud.
early, so playing. Oh, look at my Mustang, Michael.
Yeah.
Behind the Severa. Very nice.
So, if you're wearing headphones,
It's windy as well, so bloody blowing the barriers. It's flipping. Here she comes.
is it stopping?
No, I can't hear her.
It says not stopping.
I can't hear her.
Well, I'm going to try and read the numbers out, but if it's not really too far.
You'll hear me.
My cousin will literally shout, literally, you know what I mean? Shout. I literally mean shout.
Here she comes. Here she is. Go by 3. This is 745. 377 442. This is 755 377 442.
Oh,
And I'm
you guys seen next video?